Hey everybody, it's old T-Roy here. I appreciate you joining me once again. Today is a special day. I've got some ribeyes that I ordered, and they came in today. They're out of New York. Check this out. Direct from Lobels, New York. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. I ordered 2 ribeyes. About 24 ounce, I believe, is what I ordered. Bone-in ribeyes, aged prime, USDA prime. Let's cut this box open. Let's see how they shipped, how they survived the trip, and let's take a look at them steaks. All right, guys, as you can see here, got my Lobels box here. It's got my address there. I don't want to show that, but yeah, let's check it out. And one thing that I did notice from the website is Lobels, they ship next day, FedEx, overnight, because they ship their steaks fresh. So what we got here, a little tasting is believing, a little brochure I guess here. Oh, it tells you how to cook the steaks. That's what this is. All right, here's the shipping package. Got that. All right, now let's see what we got here. And again, they ship fresh, so they don't use dry ice. This is just a gel pack that they put in here just to keep the beef cool in shipment. Oh, those are some gorgeous, gorgeous steaks. Check that out, man. USDA prime, Lobels beef. Let's see how thick these are. My little handy dandy tape measure right here. And again, I think these are 24 ounce. Let me double check. Yep, 24 ounce. Bone in. See what kind of thickness we got here. About 1.5 inches, thereabouts. That's not bad. These will stay in this this vacuum sealed pack in your fridge for up to 7 days. If you have to use it any longer than that, I would suggest freezing them, but they are best just like this. They're not frozen at all. They're fresh, straight from Lobels. They kept cold with the gel packs. You see there's another gel pack here on the bottom, and this is still really cold, by the way. So we're gonna cook these babies up, at least one of them. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we're back. I've left this Lobels USDA prime steak out, and it's room temperature. And also picked up a prime ribeye. This is boneless. The Lobels has a bone in, but they didn't have bone in at my store, so the HEB. Anyway, I wasn't sure how thick this to be, so I just got whatever they had behind the case instead of like I usually do, get 1 3/4 inch thick, which I should have done. That'd have been better comparison with this, but that's what that looks like. And this is Lobels. Let's cut this bad boy open. Put them side by side. Well, they sealed that up good, didn't they? Okay. Come on now. Get all that out of there. Now then. They do put this nice wrap around the bone, which is cool. The way it doesn't puncture. So that's what we got. Just like that, guys. All right. Lobels, aged, prime. It's my local store, prime. That looks a little bit more prime to me. Just for the marbling and stuff. I wish I would have got a thicker steak from the store though. Anyway, so that's what we got, guys. Here's your 2 steaks. Lobels, my local HEB. We're gonna season this up real simple, guys. A little bit of olive oil on each one. Got some kosher salt here, flakes. We're gonna sprinkle each side. All right, so we're gonna do both sides like this. Be right back, guys. Okay. Boy, that is tender. Lordy, lordy. Tender, tender, tender. Alright, so we're gonna sear this baby on both sides. First side, I don't know, 3-4 minutes. We're gonna flip it, do the other side. And I got some oak back there in the back. We got some oak wood in the smoker box. I'm gonna close the lid so it won't flame up. Be right back. Alright, I'm gonna flip this baby over. I'll put it on there. Look at that baby go. That's gonna be some fine eating, y'all. Alright guys, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put it up here. Put it up here on this bread rack. And this is the cooler side, as I've told y'all before. And we're just gonna let it sit up there. In the meantime, I got this ribeye from HEB. We're gonna put that baby down there. We're gonna let that son of a gun go. And we're gonna cook that the same way. So we'll be back after both of these are about done. Alright gang, it's the moment of truth. There's the Lobels. There's my local HEB. I like my steaks at least 1 3/4 inches. It's my usual cut. Okay, so got that going on there. Now, let's check out this Lobels. Just gonna cut this bone off right here. Man, my dog's gonna love me tonight. There you go. Nice medium. Oh yeah. That's a medium, y'all. I know it's kind of bright. Let me see if I can turn my light down just a little bit here. There we go. Yeah, it's still red in the middle. That's a nice medium, everybody. Trim this up just a little bit. Tell you what, it sure does cut nice. Alright guys, check this out. That's what we got. A nice medium rare Lobels bone and ribeye. I cut it up. I'm telling you, man, I've had a few bites of this. It just melts in your mouth. Got a nice buttery flavor. Nice beefy flavor. And they ship it fresh, man. They don't freeze these things. Ship it fresh from their up in New York. They cut it to order. And they ship it overnight, FedEx, right to your doorstep. Can't beat that. Shipping's a little expensive because it's overnight and it's perishable, but tell you what, man, if you'll have the chance to try some Lobel steaks, I urge you to do so. These are wonderful. I'll be ordering some more in the future, I guarantee you. That aged, like 6 weeks, dry aged, really does something to these steaks. It enhances the beefiness of them. And man, I just can't. Y'all gotta try it. I can't tell you how great this is. I'm glad I tried these, and I hope y'all do too. And I really appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me some thumbs up. Y'all share the video. And remember to tell everybody you know T-Roy cooks. We'll see y'all next time.